Hi guys, good morning, good evening to you all. With you on today's live video is still me, my very self, Adanaya. And today I'm specifically going to be talking to the men. Today's topic is for men, but women are welcome to watch and listen. Alright, what I'm going to teach you guys today is been a long time. I've been trying to pick up some pieces and get it together for this program today, and thank God I've gotten what I want. And in my own small view, I want to teach or coach some men how to apologize to their women. Men, give me your ears, lend me your ears, sit tight and listen. Hi there. Okay, welcome to today's live video. My name is Adana, and today our topic is how to apologize to your woman. For many years, the main thing that causes problems between a man and a woman is death, or generally that causes problem between men and women is what? The difference between how women see things and how men see things. The way you see things as a man is different from the way a woman see things. The way you reason things, the way you acknowledge things is different from the way a woman will. And today I'm going to be coaching the men on how to apologize, because the way women see apologies is also different from the way men see it. And this has caused a lot of problems in relationships and marriages. Okay? For instance, when men have issues, like you have an issue with your fellow man, you don't call meeting, like there is no formal meeting for you guys to say, okay, I'm sorry guy, forgive me, or you start kneeling down, for you to apologize. That's for men. They don't have time for that. You see men that maybe they have issue today, the next 1 hour, 2 hours, they're watching football together. They're talking about football. My guy, you want to hang out? Let's go and hang out. They will use another issue altogether to cover that. Now the issue has been resolved. Apology has been accepted. You understand? But it's different with women. And many men of this generation, they when they get married, they want to bring up that same life, that same way of life. They want to bring it into marriage, or when they are in a relationship. Like you can't just offend your woman and you start laughing about another thing. Like you actually shouted at your woman and you're talking about a dog that is passing, and you want to laugh about it, and when you laugh you think you have apologized. No, it doesn't work that way. You understand? But when men offend each other, you can see them the next day eating together. You can see them the next day drinking together. You can see them watching football and debating and doing all manner of things. But it's not the same way with women. And so many men they bring that same lifestyle into their marriage, into their relationship. Yes, you understand? So when they offend their wife, fiancé, girlfriend, whatever, you understand, they just want to laugh about anything else, and they think they have apologized. And for women, it's totally not that way. You understand? You can't just offend your woman and start laughing about another thing and you think you've apologized. No. To her, she needs you to formally apologize. She needs you to formally acknowledge that yes, you wronged her. Okay, here I said, so I'm gonna coach the men on how to apologize to their women. And the first point I have here says, if you have offended your wife or your girlfriend, fiancé, or whatever, there is how to apologize. And the point number 1 is, you must first genuinely be sorry about what happened. That's the first point. You must first Be genuinely sorry about what happened. You cannot successfully apologize if you are not really sorry. You have to be really sorry for you to apologize. For that apology to be accepted, you have to really be sorry. A lot of people try to apologize even though they don't really mean it. They are not sorry. They just want to apologize and move on and move to the next word, move to the next conversation. You understand? All right. You must genuinely be sorry. You must see the point. You must see it from her own point of view. You must appreciate the fact that she has a different perspective, because men and women are different. A man and a woman is different. We are different species. The way you see things is not the way a woman sees it. The way you reason it is not actually the way the woman will reason it. Something that men won't see as a big deal, a woman will actually see it as a big deal. Something you will see and say, oh, it doesn't mean anything, you will overlook it. But she, as a woman, she will see something inside it too. She will dig, she will bring up a conversation that will dig deep, so that she's not doing it that she's stubborn or she's hard. She's doing it so that you will understand. You will see the reason. You see her own reason in that. She wants you to understand her own reason. She wants you to understand where she's coming from. So the first point is you must be genuinely sorry. Now the second point here says you have to have the right attitude. That's the second point. You have to have the right attitude. When you are apologizing to a woman, it is important you have the right attitude. That is how your face needs to look. You can't be apologizing to somebody and you keep your face like, it concern me. Whether you like, accept. If you like, don't accept. When you are apologizing, your face needs to have that pitiful face, that pitiful facial reaction, like you want to die, you are so sorry. You have to have the right attitude. You cannot have a braggish face when you are apologizing. No braggish attitude. Your attitude has to be right, because women are more intuitive, so your attitude will speak more than even your words. So ask yourself, do I have the right attitude when I'm apologizing? Okay, that's the question you need to ask yourself. Don't have a defensive attitude. I'm right, I'm wrong, okay, now forget it, it has happened. No. It has happened. What will be will be. What will happen. No. You don't start bringing up what she has done in the past or her faults in the matter, in the issue you are having. No. If you want to have it done well, have the right attitude. If you really want that apology to work, have the right attitude. Just apologize with the right attitude. So the third point here says, touch her. That's the third point I have here. Touch her. In the world of women, it shows connection when you touch them. Women need more meaningful touches. I'm not saying sex touch. Meaningful touches in a day. So when you are apologizing, hold her hands if you must. Hold her shoulder if you must. Or even hug her. Sometimes a hug will even do well more than your words will say. Sometimes she's furious, she's angry, you know that she's angry, you just grab her and hug her without saying a word. You have settled it. Or you can grab her hand and apologize. Meaningful touch. Touch her. The fourth one I have here says, say the words, I am sorry. For some men, this word I just said now is very, very hard for them to say. Some men find it difficult to say, I am sorry. They'll be like, sorry now, it has happened now, sorry now, forget it, that one don't pass. That's not apology. You have to be sincerely sorry. I am sorry. It means you personally, you are sorry for what you did wrong. Sorry can mean anything. Sorry I did it. Sorry you did that. Sorry I came late. Sorry that happened. No. I am sorry means you are sorry. You personally. Don't just acknowledge your mistake. Actually apologize. Thank you, guys. Don't acknowledge your mistake like, okay, you know that she's angry. You say, yes, actually I did it. Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry I did it. Sorry it happened. Sorry it went that way. Sorry I never knew what came over me. No. Don't acknowledge your mistakes. Actually apologize. Sometimes what men do is to acknowledge their mistakes. Okay, it's true, I did it. Okay, I went out with my friends. Okay, I forgot it's your birthday. Okay, I forgot I had to buy it for you. I forgot. You keep acknowledging your mistakes, but what you have to do is what? Really apologize. There's a big difference between acknowledging your mistakes and apologizing. Don't acknowledge your mistake, because she already know that yes, you are at fault, and you already know that you are at fault. She knows that yes, you did it. You also know that you did it. Just don't acknowledge it. Apologize. So the fifth one I have here says, say what you are sorry for. Okay, no, okay, sorry now, I don't do that and don't pass. Sorry, it's okay. No, say what you are sorry for. Okay, it says, don't just say sorry. If you want to apologize well, say what you are sorry for. So say, I'm sorry I raised my voice. Sorry I scolded at you. Sorry I forgot it's dinner time. Sorry I came back late. Sorry you did. Make sure you apologize for what you are sorry for. Make sure you say what you're sorry for. Okay? Alright, it says here, say what you're sorry for, you know. I'm sorry you made you feel some certain way. Having a woman in your life has to do with a lot of work. And it is dramatic, yes. But the benefits outweigh the work. So many people would think that having a woman in their life is a stress, or it has to do with too many works. Like, even as I'm saying this now, some people are saying, some people will be thinking that, if she will not take the sorry I give to her, let her go to hell. No. Women are made of past events. Anything you did to your woman 10 years ago, when she will remember it, maybe you yourself, your brain has washed it off. Men don't keep quarrels. They quarrel today, the next day you see them laughing together again, or eating together, hanging out together. You know, they'll call each other, my guy, have fun now. We'll go meet her at our normal joint today. But for women, even if they act like they're forgotten, forget it. When they will remind you, you will ask yourself, I never knew you still have this in your head. Okay? So the sixth point I have here is, don't be in a hurry when you are apologizing. Try to have the time. Don't rush her. Don't rush the process. Don't try to hurry her up. Don't be like, oh, you are dragging this issue. Why are you bringing up issues? Why are you making issues out of nothing? Why are you doing this? Why? Don't be in a hurry. I'm going to work. Say what you want to say, woman. Is it because of that? And okay, it's okay. I'm sorry. Don't be in a hurry when you are trying to apologize. Make out time. Make sure you have time. Make out time to apologize. One thing you need to learn about women is they are not buying. They are not trying to be hard. Maybe you are apologizing and she's shaking her head. I will not agree. Oh, I will not agree. Oh, no. They are not proving or trying to be hard. They operate basically how they are wired. That's how God made them. Men are made different. Men are wired different. Women are wired different. Be patient. Because what women need is what? Patience. What your woman needs is patience. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be much in a hurry. When you offend her, yes, acknowledge you offend her. Then apologize. And when you are apologizing, make out time. Have time to apologize. Don't be in a hurry. That's the 6th point. And the 7th point I have here is assure her of your love for her. In the word of women, in the word of women, when you offend them, they attribute everything going on into the fact that you don't love them. Women are love beings. They are emotional beings. So when you treat a woman badly, all she thinks of is that you don't love her. When you cheat on your woman, she will say, you cheated on me. That means you don't love me. When you shout at her, she will take it that you don't love her. When you scold her, all her memory will be giving her is that, this man, you don't love me. That's why you're behaving like this. So when you apologize, it is important that you reassure her that you love her no matter what might have happened. Keep reassuring her even as you are apologizing. After that, your apology, reassure her that you still love her. You truly love her. That's the 7th point. Assure her that you still love her. The 8th point I have here is apologize again. That's the 8th point. Apologize again. This means some days later, weeks later, just after the incident, after you might have apologized, after you guys might have fought and you apologized and she accepted, just bring up the issue and say, hey babe, I just want to apologize again for what happened yesterday, what happened last week. Women love that. Because women are past oriented. You don't know women. You don't know a woman. You don't know women. Women are past what? Oriented. It makes them feel you are really sorry when you apologize again. Just stay on your own. Maybe after some days, after the issue, weeks, you bring it up again. Maybe when you guys are eating or you're having good time watching movie, just bring it up again. Hey babe, I'm sorry for what happened. They like it. We like it. It makes us feel that yes, you guys are really sorry. It makes her feel like yes, you are really sorry about what you did. It is better you bring it up, because if you don't, eventually she will bring it out. She will bring it up. Maybe after a month, when you must have forgotten about it, she will bring up the issue, because she's still thinking about it. Sometimes the thing will still pop up. That's why you see, when you offend your woman, maybe some days, weeks, probably months, a little thing might happen, she will bring it up again. She will still bring up the same issue. She will still revisit that past, because we women are past oriented. When a classmate offends a woman, even if it's 10 years to come, when they see each other, they'll be like, ah, Chiamaka, you remember when you stole my pen that year? Did you remember you tore my book inside the class? Because they are past oriented. Men, what men do is when something happens, the next minute, the next hour, they will just forget about it. But women, give it time. If you don't remind them and re-apologize, they will remind you. Okay, that's the 8th point. Apologize again. The 9th point I have here is make sure you actually change. This one is the most important, because all these things, all these steps, they don't really matter if you do not change from what you did. You see all these things I've been reading, all these 8 points, they are actually nothing. They are actually void if you did not change from what you actually did. If you are gonna keep repeating the same mistake often, over and over again, that means the 8 points does not matter. It doesn't matter actually. If possibly, seek for help. Seek for, counseling. Go for counselors. See some counselors. Let them counsel you, tell you things to do, tell you how to go about it. Because this kind of things makes women see you as a serious person, and it will make them love you. And trust me, there is nothing like the love of a woman. If a woman really loves you, she's gonna go all out for you, and it's gonna show in your life as a man. So try as much as possible, after all the events, after what happened, after the fight, and you apologize, the most important thing there is try to change. If you do shout at her, try to change from shouting. If you are a cheater, if it's infidelity that is disturbing you guys, try to change. If you comes back late, if you are a drunkard, like you drink way beyond your brain, if you are the type you talk too much, if you are the type your character that within you is not good, try to change. Because change is the most important thing in all these things I'm reading. The 10th point here says, do something to make it up to her. After the fight, apologize again, change. After all the apologies and the change in your way, do something to make it up to her. Women like to see that you are trying. Women really like to see that you are trying your best, your possible best. Get her the things she likes, because she's a woman. You actually knows the things she likes. Spend quality time with her. Take her out on a date. Buy her flowers, gifts. For some people, no matter how little it is, make sure you make it up to her. Remember, action speaks louder than words. Try to make it up to her. Okay guys, it's nice having you again on this segment. Thank you for coming around. Thank you for contributing. I'll see you guys next time. But until then, remain awesomely cool. I still remain my humble self, Adanaya, the drama doll, and I love you all so very much. Happy Sunday to y'all.